Hello friends, hello everyone, once again welcome to back our channel Crochet lovers. So friends, how are you? I hope all will be may almighty keep you happy, keep you homes and happy, and may you continue to enjoy like this. So friends, today I will share with you the very beautiful, amazing, stylish crochet happy Christmas baby frocks designs ideas collection. Beautiful frocks, beautiful designs, very amazing colorful crochet winter collection, baby frocks designs ideas collection, beautiful colors, beautiful contrast, very amazing colorful crochet baby frocks designs ideas collection. Before starting the video, I request all of you to subscribe my channel first, and also make sure to follow, be sure to follow, press the bell icon. You can also buy to the market about such designs. You can get many ideas from my videos. So friend, this video is very helpful and useful, so I will keep sharing similar designs with my dear friend daily, inshallah. Be sure to let us know in the comment box how you like our video. If you want to watch fashion and videos, and if you guys want to, you can take a screenshot from my videos and share to someone else, and you can make a similar designs for yourself. This type of designs is very popular in the country and girls love such clothes. So friend, today video is amazing. Every videos are lovely designs. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Bye.